Hey everybody, how many of you have spent thousands of dollars to go hunting up in the Arctic, Canada, Alaska, only to get out into the field and realize that maybe your culling techniques aren't working right, your hunting strategies might be off, or maybe you're just in a bad area, but you just don't know what's going on and what's wrong with that scenario? Well, let me tell you what, I can change all that for you and help you become a better hunter by going to 60inchclub.com and check out our training courses there. And what we've done is we've made these courses to where you don't have to sit in camp anymore and scratch your head and wonder what's going on. Why aren't the bulls coming in? Why am I not seeing anything out there? And when you're out there in the bush, there's no cell coverage, so you can't get on YouTube and Google somebody who's came up and did a DIY hunt and got lucky. You can't even do that. So you're sitting there scratching your head, and then your confidence level just drops. Well, that was me 30 years ago when I moved up here in Alaska and started hunting. I was down on the river bottom and I couldn't get any moose to come in. And then I heard that one thing from my buddy, and he said, "Troy, don't cow call anymore for the moose." And it kind of hurt my feelings because this was our passion, is to hunt moose. We weren't really good at it back then, but he was right. I was literally doing the cow calls wrong, and it was driving the moose away. We could see a bull out there, and he would leave, and my heart would just sunk. I didn't know how to do it any better. I didn't have any training in front of me. We were in the wilderness, days away from being back to civilization. I had nothing I could do. I had no way to get better at hunting right then, right there, with all the money I had spent. We just were spotting and stalking at that point. Well, guess what? Since 30 years from back then, I've taken so many bull moose over 60 inches, I've almost lost count. I think I'm over 25 bull moose over 60 inches in 19 years. And you think, wait a minute, how's that possible? And that's because I have taught all these techniques to my friends, and now we teach them to our clients here at 60 Inch Club. All you got to do is click the link down below, check out the 60 Inch Club membership, be part of the 60 Inch Club community, enter into the training classes, and you can watch how to call moose, hunting strategies for moose. And then guess what? You can download those 20-minute video clips, 10-minute video clips to your smartphone, take it with you out in the field, and you can look right there and see what's going on, what you're doing wrong, and talk about a confidence booster. You're going to know everything that I know from 30 years of moose hunting in Alaska, and it's right there at your fingertips. You're going to know that your cow calls are spot on. And then thrash the brush a little bit, because those bulls, when they're coming to you, they're doing that same thing. They're whoa, whoa, and they'll stop and they'll thrash the brush with their antlers because they're getting all wound up and excited because you've been cow calling, or maybe you've been bull grunting and you're thrashing and he wants to fight, and that maybe you're not in a real good area and that it's time to move, or it's time to float down to the next bend. It's time to start implementing the strategies that's in the strategy video for hunting moose. How cool was that? Nobody, even if I showed up or someone better than me as a hunter showed up, you are no less at a disadvantage as anybody else. You are equal to that massive, awesome hunter out there, because you have the best training that you got right in front of you, and you can cross-check everything that you're doing and make sure that it's all good. How cool was that? This is the first ever online training course. It was filmed and produced this year by 60 Inch Club. It's the freshest content out that you could possibly get. We are very proud of these training programs and training classes. We are the first to be offering this. High definition, produced here locally, and it's right there. And as I'm talking, literally telling you how to call a moose in, you're seeing the moose right behind me, like this big 71.5 inch bull. Or how about this 70 5/8 bull at 25 yards away? I think I'm doing something right. That was the most fun. And then how about this one here, Butch got 63 inches wide. And add another 25 to that. I've gotten over 3 70-inch bulls. It's crazy cool and fun. So, and you can do this too now. I mean, I look back at myself and just got to laugh at that young man 30 years ago, sitting in the boat and that bull walking away. We couldn't even get close to him at the time. Not anymore. Today's technology, you download it to your smartphone. You can unlimited watching on the club. You go in there, log in, put in your password, unlimited access to club membership, and all 9 volumes of high definition video footage that was filmed this year. No more watching 20-year-old moose hunting videos or someone's YouTube just got lucky DIY moose hunt in Alaska and he got 1 moose, lucky. You got someone that's killed a bunch of moose and hunted in Alaska. I am a bush pilot as well. So click the button down below, and I hope to see you here at 60inchclub.com, where we are one big happy family just trying to help everybody else be happy out in the field and successful. Take care. I'll see you out in the field.